Hello, welcome students to chemistry fourth chapter electrochemistry. In this pandemic, we are supposed to go for online lectures. So, welcome to electrochemistry, which is the fourth chapter, and this chapter has a weightage of 5 marks, and with option, you can the question paper can be set for 7 marks also. So, let us start with the basic concepts of electrochemistry. As you all know, electrochemistry is a branch of physical chemistry which involves the study of interrelationship between chemical changes and electrical energy, and also concerned with the electrical properties of electrolytic solutions. So in this chapter, mainly we'll be studying with the electrical properties of electrolytic solutions. Next slide. So there are the next point is electrical conductance and the units that are used in electrochemistry. So what is electrical conductance? The reciprocal of electrical resistance of a solution is called electrical conductance, and this is represented by G, or we call it as conductance is equal to 1 upon resistance. The conductance has units of reciprocal of ohm. In SI units, the conductance has units Siemens. Conductivity or reciprocal conductance. The reciprocal conductance, the reciprocal of specific resistance or resistivity is called as specific conductance or conductivity. I repeat again, the reciprocal of specific resistance or resistivity is called specific conductance or conductivity. Or this conductivity is equal to 1 upon resistivity. Conductivity is denoted by the letter kappa, where kappa conductivity is equal to 1 upon resistivity. So a new concept, molar conductivity, has also to be studied, as we are more interested in the conductivity of the solutions. The molar conductivity is defined as the conductance of a volume of a solution containing ions from 1 mole of an electrolyte when placed between two parallel plates electrodes 1 centimeter apart, and a large area 1 centimeter apart from each other, sufficient to accommodate the whole solution between them at constant temperature. This molar conductivity is denoted by the letter M. Thus, the significance of molar conductivity is the conductance due to ions from 1 mole of an electrolyte. Relationship between conductivity and molar conductivity. Conductivity or specific conductance, kappa, is the conductance of 1 centimeter of a solution in CGS units. Molar conductivity is the conductance of a solution containing 1 mole of an electrolyte. Consider C moles of an electrolyte are present in 1000 centimeter cube of solution. Therefore, 1 mole of an electrolyte is present in 1000 upon C centimeter cube of solution. Now, Conductance. Now, conductance of 1000 upon C centimeter cube of solution is K kappa into 1000 upon C. This represents molar conductivity. This represents molar conductivity. Therefore, molar conductivity is equal to K into 1000 upon C per ohm in CGS unit. In CGS unit. Variation of molar conductivity with concentration. As there are two types of electrolytes, weak electrolytes and strong electrolytes. As the dilution of electrolytic solution increases, the dissociation of electrolyte increases. The dissociation of electrolyte, increases. Hence, the total number of ions increases and hence the molar conductivity increases. So when we plot a graph of molar conductivity against the concentration, the nature of the graph is a parabolic, and we can have two types of electrolytes, that is strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. The increase in molar conductivity with increase in molar conductivity with increase in dilution or decrease in concentration is different for strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. On dilution, molar conductivity of a strong electrolyte increases rapidly and approaches to a maximum value at infinite dilution or zero concentration. In case of weak electrolytes, which dissociate less as compared to strong electrolytes, the molar conductivity is low and increases slowly in high concentration region, but increases rapidly at low concentration. This is because the extent of dissociation increases with dilution rapidly. The molar conductivity values of strong electrolytes can be obtained by extrapolating the linear graph of zero concentration. However, the molar conductivity of weak electrolyte can be obtained by this method as the graph increases exponentially, as very high dilution does not intersect molar conductivity axis at zero concentrations. So let us go on to a next point, which is called as Kohlrausch's law of independent migration. So this law is very important in terms of migration of ions. As we all know, at low concentration, the migration is high, and at high concentration, the migration of ions is low. So this migration of ions is governed by a law which is called as Kohlrausch's law of independent migration. The statement of this law is as follows: at infinite dilution of a solution, each ion of an electrolyte migrates independently of its coion and contributes independently to the total molar conductivity of the electrolyte, irrespective of the nature of the other ion present in the solution. So, very important statement from the point of view of examination. So, this Kohlrausch's law, if suppose we have ions, that is cation and anion of an electrolyte, so these cations and anions make definite contribution to the molar conductivity of the electrolyte at infinite dilution. If lambda plus and lambda minus are molar ionic conductivities of cation and anion at infinite dilution. Therefore, according to Kohlrausch's law, we write molar conductivity is equal to lambda plus plus lambda minus. This is known as Kohlrausch's law of independent migration of ions. So this means that both the ions, the cation and the anion, contribute equally for the molar conductivity of the solution. So for example, for an electrolyte, we have an electrolyte which has Bx and Ay. That is, Bx means the X number of cations and Ay means Y number of anions. Then we can write them according to Kohlrausch's law, the molar conductivity can be written as molar conductivity is equal to X lambda plus Y lambda minus. This means that X number of cations plus Y number of anions. So next slide. Applications of Kohlrausch's law. As we all know that Kohlrausch's law plays very important role in the migration of ions. It has two main applications. The first applications is that this law, with the help of this law, the molar conductivity of strong electrolyte at zero concentrations can be determined. For example, if we have a solution KCl, which is a strong electrolyte, the molar conductivity is equal to X number of lambda K plus Y number of lambda Cl minus. So thus we can find the molar conductivity of a strong electrolyte. The second application is that the molar conductivity values of weak electrolyte with those of strong electrolytes can be obtained. When we know the molar conductivity of strong electrolyte, naturally the molar conductivity values of weak electrolytes can also be obtained. Some basic concepts regarding the molar conductivity also to be understood. Diagram. The conductivity cell. So what is this conductivity cell? This is a device which is used to measure the conductance of a solution, and this device is called as a conductivity cell. The construction of the conductivity cell is as follows. The conductivity cell consists of a hollow glass tube provided with two parallel platinum plates of equal area coated with finely divided platinum called platinum black. By electrolysis with chloroplatinic acid, the two plates are connected to wire for electrical contact. So this is the conductivity cell which has a hard glass tube with two parallel platinum plates. Conductivity cell पाहिजे नाही conductivity cell हा खालीवर झालं का the cell constant. So what is the cell constant? So when we understand a conductivity cell, the cell constant is the cross section area of the two platinum plates at a distance L apart in the conductivity cell. Then for a given conductivity cell, the ratio of L upon A is called as a cell constant. The ratio of L upon A is called as a cell constant. So this cell constant plays very important role in determining the conductivity of an unknown solution. Now we can measure the conductivity of unknown solution by measurement of a molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution. So this uh, electrolytic solution whose conductivity is to be measured uh, by using a conductivity cell and a Wheatstone bridge. So there are three steps involved. In the first step, we have to determine the cell constant. Here, in the first step, the KCl solution whose conductivity is accurately known is taken in a beaker and the conductivity cell is dipped in that. The two electrodes of cell are connected to one arm while the variable known resistance is placed in the another arm of the Wheatstone bridge. A current detector D dash, which is a headphone, is used and jockey J is slided and on the uniform wire AB, which has a uniform cross section area. A source of AC power is used to avoid electrolysis of the solution. So let us try to understand the circuit diagram, which is used to determine the conductance of electrolytic cell. So here, this is diagram. This is a uniform cross section wire, that is AB, on which we can slide the jockey D. We have resistance R, we have conductivity cell, and this conductivity cell has a solution, that is KCl solution. Here we are firstly determining, in the first step, the cell constant of the solution is to be determined. The conductivity cell is connected to the 2 points on the Wheatstone bridge. So this is the Wheatstone bridge, which has uniform wire AB. Now, in the second step, the KCl solution is replaced by the given electrolytic solution, and its resistance is measured by Wheatstone bridge method by similar manner by obtaining a null point, and a null point is obtained which is at point D. So therefore, the conductivity K is the cell constant K is equal to Rs upon cell constant is equal, sorry, conductivity is equal to cell constant upon Rs, or the conductivity K is equal to B upon Rs, B upon Rs. In the third step, where B is called as a cell constant. In the third step, the calculation of the molar conductivity is done. The molar conductivity is given by molar conductivity is equal to K upon C, or molar conductivity is equal to K into 1000 upon C. With this, we'll stop here for today. We'll continue with the different types of electrolytic cell in the next lecture. Thank you very much.